Hello parents, this video is very important. I want you to listen to me. I want you to watch this video to the very end. Now, if your child has come home with a poor report card, is called 40 and below in all his or her subjects, well, I'd like to tell you that that's not good. However, that is not the end of the world. I know how it feels. When my son was in SS1, out of 18 children in his class, my son took 18th position. It was a devastating moment for the entire family. I was not happy. But unlike many parents that they will ignore it, they will just fight with the child for 1 or 2 days. Thereafter, everything goes back to normal. I didn't do that. First, I took responsibility for his failure. I felt I have not done what I am supposed to do. Listen, you cannot do too much when it comes to the issue of your child. I know I have not supported him enough. And you know what I did? I sought for knowledge. And I taught him what to do to excel next step. We went through 7 steps, and after that 7 steps, he went back to the same class. And out of 18 children, my son moved from 18th position to 3rd position. And in the subsequent term, he topped his class. And ever since then, my son has been doing greatly in learning. These 7 steps that I went through with my son, I have put them together in a video for your child. And many children have used it and it has worked wonders for them. So, if your child has come home with below average result or average results, all you need is to allow me to coach your child. And I have put this coaching in a video course of 7 modules. All you need to do to help your child is both of you should sit down and watch the video. I know that children's attention span is very low. Therefore, they are not long videos. They are short videos, but powerful. I have observed everything that I need to observe in teaching a child. Those things you may not know. This is my profession. I'm a cognitive psychologist. I can teach your child. I can do well with your child even more than you. So all you need to do is to get these coaching videos for just 5,000 naira for your child. That's all. I tell you, your child's performance will change drastically. And I am so sure about this that I am giving you a guarantee. Buy the coaching course for your child. Let him or her go back to school. If his result doesn't change by end of next term, just send me a small message. I want a refund. I will refund your money and keep the video as well. I need to warn you here. If you are a parent and your children have come home with average or below average results, holidays time like this is not a time to now begin to send them for one coding class, one program or the other. You need to address your child's learning challenges. If he can do well in his learning now, there is nothing he will not be able to learn. So if you want to help your child, you are ready to invest 5,000 naira to learn the 7 things that I did with my son that changed his results from that of a child that causes us heart pain to a child that we can be proud of. I have itemized them in that video for your child. Let them go through it 1 module per day. And please, for maximum effect, you need to go through the course when they are watching the video, and thereafter have a chat that will even make you to bond more. This is very important for you. This will help a lot. I hope you have gained value in this video. See you in another video.